Okay, guys, welcome back. So today is actually our last class lah for Form 5 topic. Okay, kelas terakhir untuk bab-bab Form 5 bagi matematik. Okay, Form 5 chapter 8 bab 8. Okay, so we are doing revision today, ulang kaji. So we'll see the type of question that are related to this chapter. Okay, kita akan nampak soalan berkenaan Form 5 bab 8 ni. Okay, it's actually very general, so don't worry so much. Okay. So first question, guys, they ask you to complete the mathematical modeling process. So can anyone tell me? Okay, so they give you the first step tadi. Mereka dah bagi langkah pertama pemodelan matematik. So second step, can anyone tell me? If you still remember, kalau masih ingat, cuba bagi tahu saya langkah kedua proses pemodelan matematik. Second step. This one objective like to ask, guys. Objective suka tanya yang ni. So you must know. Even though this is subjective, but you must know the answer. Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is making assumption and also got a second part, guys. Ada satu lagi bahagian kat sini. Making assumption, yes. That's why you must remember now this chapter. Kena ingat. One more part, guys. And something. Kamu kena buat andaian dan juga ada satu lagi perkataan kat belakang. Yes. Okay, is identify the variables, guys. Mengenal pasti pemboleh ubah. Okay, are you clear, guys? So this is your second step of mathematical modeling. Okay, langkah kedua proses pemodelan matematik. Okay, so what is the third step, guys? Malay is membuat andaian dan mengenal pasti pemboleh ubah. Okay? Boleh ujar buku teks juga bila belajar bab ni. Okay, sebab banyak fakta sahaja. Alright? Okay, so what is the third step, guys? Langkah ketiga. Yes, very good. Okay, apply mathematics to solve the problem. Okay, mengaplikasikan matematik untuk menyelesaikan masalah. Apply maths to solve problem. Okay, alright. So this is your third step. And then fourth step, they already give you. Langkah 4 sudah diberi. Okay, so the fourth step is verifying and interpreting solution in context of problem. Yes, betul. Okay, alright. So then, what is the fifth step, guys? May I know? Apa langkah ketiga kamu? Anyone? Sorry, langkah kelima, bukan ketiga. Kelima, fifth one. Last one is report the finding. Selalu ingat yang akhir, guys, tu melaporkan dapatan. Sebab kamu dah collect semua, kamu akan lapor kat akhir. You'll always report at the end. Yes. Okay, correct. Refining the mathematical model. Kalau BM memurnikan model matematik. Okay, so these are your steps. Okay, so remember, objectives like to ask lah. Okay, dia akan tanya soal objektif this chapter, Form 5 chapter 8. Okay, so you must know the steps of your mathematical modeling. Okay, so total you have 6 steps, 6 langkah. So usually I give you all the acronym. Am I right? Okay, so for English, this is the acronym. IMA, IRR. Okay, you can memorize like this. Just memorize the keyword. Okay, kata kunci saja. I for identify, M for make, A for apply, I for interpret, R for refine, and R for report. So this is how you memorize. Okay, guys? Boleh kan? This one, no other concept lah. You just need to memorize only. Hanya kena ingat. Okay, so these are all the steps, guys. The missing ones. Okay, boleh? Do you all understand, guys? Can get it? Any problem? Sepatutnya tak ada masalah lah. Okay, sebab yang ni saja kena ingat. Okay, you just must memorize. Okay? Alright. So now, guys, question number 2. So they ask you identify and define James problem. Kamu kena kenal pasti dan tentukan masalah James. So guys, may I know what is the problem over here? Can anyone try and see? Apa masalah kat sini? Is in the question 1, guys. Jawapan dia dalam soalan tu. Hanya perlu ambil sahaja daripada soalan. Tempoh masa. Boleh lebih spesifik lagi? Tempoh masa untuk apa? You must be specific, guys, in your answer over here. Kena specific. Yes, very good. To buy the laptop. Okay? Itu jawapan dia, guys. Untuk membeli komputer riba. Okay, so you can write something like this. boleh tulis macam ni. Okay, so usually for your first step, this will be the answer. You just take back from the question only. Okay, determine the saving period that required that enable James to purchase laptop. Okay, ini adalah langkah atau cara kita tulis bila buat anggapan. Okay, when you identify and define the variable. Okay, boleh? Alright. So second one, part B. They ask you to determine the assumptions, guys. What are the assumptions that need to be made? Okay, apa andaian yang perlu dibuat? Okay, dan kenal pasti pemboleh ubah. Okay, identify the variable. Okay, so assumption first. Apa anggapan yang kamu boleh buat, guys, berdasarkan situasi ni? What is the assumption you can think? Anyone? Very logic, guys. Sangat logic jawapan dia. You tell one answer as long logic is correct one. Anyone? What are the assumptions over here? Lihat situasi dalam soalan ni. Read the question, then think of the assumption. Fikir apa anggapan dia. Anyone? Come on. Kamu kena cuba, guys. You have to try. If you want to understand this Form 5 Chapter 8, Mathematics, pemodelan matematik ni, kamu memang kena cuba. Kalau tak, sangat susah. Part-time job. Not really. Not part-time job. Think some more. Assumptions. Andaian. Apa andaian yang kamu boleh buat berdasarkan situasi ni? Okay, so whenever you think of assumptions, right, you must think of one thing. What must be constant? Always remember that, guys. Andaian tu maksud dia apa yang kena dimalalkan dalam situasi ni. I give you all a hint. Apa kena malar untuk bagi situasi ni lebih sah? What must be constant? Constant, guys. Constant. What are you going to make it constant? Like your science, right? Science kamu buat eksperimen MV, RV, CV. Constant variable. Okay, dimanipulasi, bergerak balas dan dimalahkan. So, apa yang dimalahkan tu in this question? Okay, let's see. Wait. Tiada persembah. Okay, wait. Let me try to see. Cannot. This one cannot. Yes. Hakim correct, Adi. Very good. Correct. So, guys, the assumption is the interest rate do not change. Okay, kadar faedah yang ni tak boleh berubah. Boleh faham tak, guys? Can you all understand? Sebab kalau kadar faedah berubah, berapa lama dia kena jimat untuk bayar laptop tu juga berubah kan? If your interest rate change, confirm the amount you need or the time you need to save also change. So that's why the interest rate cannot change. Kadar faedah tak boleh berubah. Okay, another one. Yang kedua, what other assumptions that you all think? There is one more. Satu lagi anggapan yang kamu boleh buat berdasarkan soalan ni. Try and see. Very good. That's why I say, you guys think logic confirm is the correct answer. Yes. Okay, the laptop price cannot change. Okay, harga komputer riba tu tak boleh berubah. Okay, it must be always the same price. Then only we can count it. Discount cannot. It must be same price. Okay, then only you can determine the time taken to save. Okay, kamu boleh menentukan masa untuk jimat. Alright, can guys? So these are your assumptions. Okay, ini adalah dua anggapan kamu. Alright, so you will have 2 marks for 2 assumptions. Okay, now, what is the dependent variable here, guys? May I know? Apa pemboleh ubah bersandar di sini? Dependent variable is what, guys? May I know? You must understand the meaning. What is the meaning of dependent variable? Apa maksud pemboleh ubah bersandar? Anyone? Think logic. Dependent variable means it's dependent on something. Am I right? That's why they call it as dependent variable. Pemboleh ubah bersandar. Yes. If the variable change, it will change others. Correct. Okay, so this is your MV or RV? May I know? Simple. You think and see lah, guys. Sorry. Yes, MV or RV? Adakah pemboleh ubah bersandar ni bergerak balas ataupun dimanipulasi? Cuba fikir. Okay, sama-sama. What do you all think? MV or RV? Manipulated or responding? Yes. Okay, the answer is actually responding, guys. Okay, always remember RV is known as dependent variable. Okay, pemboleh ubah bergerak balas tu adalah pemboleh ubah bersandar. Itu key point kat sini. Okay, so means that MV is what? MV is your independent variable. Pemboleh ubah tidak bersandar adalah pemboleh ubah dimanipulasi kamu. Alright? So guys, may I know what is your RV over here? Macam buat eksperimen sains saja kan? So what is your RV? Apa pemboleh ubah bersandar kat sini dalam soalan ni? You all think and see. Fikir macam kamu jawab eksperimen sains. Just think like you are doing a science experiment. You answer like that. So what is your RV? Anyone? No. No need to be so specific, Hakim, for RV. RV is a bit general. Try to think again. You see the question carefully. What is the thing that you can measure over here? RV is something we can measure. Am I right, guys? Pemboleh ubah bergerak balas kita boleh ukur. So your answer must be something that you can measure. Interest rate, no. Tempo masa, no. Price of laptop, no. Read carefully, guys. Slowly. Think some more. Fikir lagi. Jawapan dia senang saja. It's very simple. No. Guys, the answer is in the question one. Jawapan dia dalam soalan. Jangan bagi jawapan umum. Don't give the general answer. How long it take to save money? Close. Close already. A bit more. Change a bit your sentence. Close already. Faedah bukan. Faedah dia tak berubah. Am I right? Faedah dia dah masuk bawah constant variable. Pemboleh ubah dimalahkan. Time taken to save money. No. Your time taken is for your MV, guys. MV tu adalah masa yang diambil. Am I right? Time is usually under MV, right? Pemboleh ubah dimanipulasi. Time taken is MV. For RV, pemboleh ubah bergerak balas tu apa? Tak boleh. Tak spesifik sangat. Save money. Saving period masih bawah MV. Saving period means time, right? Okay, merujuk kepada masa. So yang tu juga bawah MV. Anyone can think of the answer, RV? Yes, finally. Okay, got correct answer, D. Correct, Uni. Amount of money saved, guys. Am I right? Can you see here, guys? This is your RV. Save in order to buy the laptop. Okay, means that what is the total amount you must save? So that is your RV lah, guys. Itulah yang bergerak balas. Am I right? Your time will influence how long you save. I mean, how much you save. Okay, masa tu akan pengaruhi jumlah yang kamu jimat. So jumlah yang kamu jimat tu adalah pemboleh ubah bersandar lah, dependent variable, responding variable. Okay, so that's why the answer is like this. Okay, jawapan dia adalah yang ni. Okay, are you guys clear? Okay, right? Boleh faham kan? Sangat kan? It's very general dan logik untuk faham. Okay, tak ada apa-apa pengiraan susah. There is no difficult calculation. Alright? Okay, so next one. Okay, so for this one is another type of question. They can ask you under mathematical modeling, pemodelan matematik. Okay, so this one is more on calculation. Lebih kepada pengiraan. Okay, so they ask you guys, state the value of P and K. Nyatakan. State means that no jalan kira. Okay, there is no working over here. So terus baca soalan, bagi tahu saya nilai. P equal to what? K equal to what? Cuba. So anyone? Do you get the answer? Siapa dapat jawapan? Value of P and value of K. Cuba. P equal 5,000, yes. Very good. Correct. Okay, P is the number of chairs, bilangan kerusi. So 5,000 lah. Okay, apa nilai K? What is your K value? Careful. K is the rate, you know, guys. K2 kadar. So is kadar written as 20%? Yes or no? Kadar. Kadar kena hati-hati. Yes, correct. You must write as 0.2. Very good. Okay, yes. So your answer is P is 5,000 and K equal to 0.2. Very good. Okay, so now for question B, kamu kena cari bilangan kerusi. Okay, means that kamu kena cari nilai N. Okay, find out your N value. So you just need to use the formula, guys. Guna rumus saja. Okay, so now, may I know what is your T value, guys? Apa nilai T yang kamu akan gantikan dalam rumus ni? Apa masa dia? How many years? Betul ke? Are you sure? Guys, see carefully. Betul ke 14? Guys, 1990 to 2002, berapa tahun? Yes. Okay, 12 years, guys. Okay, so that's why T sama dengan 12. Okay, so your answer will look something like this. Make sure you guys know how to count years. Okay, so then you just tekan calculator, get the answer. Boleh? Can, right? So this is your answer for question B. Okay, so make sure you give it as whole number. Okay, kena bagi dalam integer terdekat. Okay, maksudnya nombor bulat, whole number. Cannot give decimal. Perpuluhan tak boleh. Okay? Alright. So we come to the next question. Another type of question. Macam mana? Sebab tadi kita dah dapat, sebab 1 tambah K. Boleh nampak? 1 tambah K. K sama dengan 0.2. So 1.2. Okay? Alright. Okay, so now, another calculation. Satu lagi pengiraan kat sini. Soalan pengiraan. Okay, so for this one, they are talking about this formula. Okay, kamu kena guna rumus ni. Alright, so the first question, they ask you to represent. What does T equal to 0 represent in the real world? Anyone? Can you tell me? Apa maksud T sama dengan kosong tu sebenarnya? Cuba huraikan dalam perkataan. Yes. But actually, they won't ask all the long concept in modern maths lah. Mereka takkan tanya. They just give like that only. So anyone? What is the meaning of T equal to 0? Apa maksud T sama dengan kosong? Sangat senang. Very easy. Kamu baca soalan, kamu akan tahu. You read the question. Kamu tak boleh cakap macam tu. Tak boleh cakap tiada masa. You cannot say no time, guys. You must really tell what it represent. Kena bagi tahu dia mewakili apa. Anyone else want to try? Nak cuba? Start. Start is too general. Hakim, they ask you equal to 0, you know. Equal to 0. So you cannot say the number of years. If they just say what is T, then your answer is correct. Mereka cakap T sama dengan kosong. So you must be very specific in your answer. In words, uni, you must give your answer in words dalam perkataan. Tempoh masa tidak boleh, tak boleh. Soalan, jawapan macam tu tak boleh. So guys, how? Okay, so you know that T is the number of years after 1990. So T sama dengan kosong maksudnya apa? Yes, 1990. Am I right? So the answer is bilangan populasi pada tahun 1990. Okay, so it's the number of population in the year 1990. Do you understand? That is the answer for part A. You must write like that. Okay, so this is your answer for part A. Boleh? Can, So you just say the number of population in 1990. Okay, so we go to question B. Okay, soalan B dia suruh nyatakan nilai K, guys. Okay, so how to find my K value? May I know? Think and see. What will be my K value over here? Apa nilai K? State, you know. They say state means no working. Tak ada jalan kira. You see the question itself, you can get the answer. Nampak soalan boleh dapat jawapan. Yes, correct. The answer is 24 million. Correct. Okay, 24 juta. Alright. So how you get the answer? Okay, they already tell you T equal to 0, P equal to 24 million. 24 juta. So you just write out lah. 24 million equal to K e power 0.03 times 0. So guys, 0.03 kali kosong, you get 0. Am I right? So the whole thing here is 0. So E power 0, what is this value guys? Apa nilai yang ni? E kuasa kosong, you will get 1. Apa-apa kuasa kosong dapat 1. Remember, whatever. Okay, so that's why K sama dengan 24 juta lah. Okay, that's why your answer is 24 million. Very simple right guys? Bab ni sangat mudah untuk score. It's very simple, very logic. Okay, so next, they ask you to state the answer. E ya. Oh, E sebenarnya kamu tak belajar dalam matematik guys. Untuk yang ambil NMATS tahu. Soalan ni tak menguji kamu untuk faham apa maksud simbol itu. So saya tak mau nak confuse kamu lah. Sebab kalau saya share mungkin nanti kamu confuse pula. Sebab kamu tak ambil NMATS. Kalau kamu ambil NMATS saya boleh share lah. Ambil ke tak? Kalau ambil NMATS kamu pasti tahu dah. So saya takkan. Maksudnya janganlah. Saya tak mau confuse kamu. Okay? Never mind. Because the question does not need you to know what is the meaning of E. Okay? You just understand how to count only. Okay? Faham cara pengiraan saja. Okay? Alright. So for question C, they ask you to find the population in 2003 guys. So may I know what is my T value over here? Apa nilai T saya guys? May I know? So you compare lah. How long? 1990, 2003. So berapa tahun? Yes. So T equal to 13. Okay. And then you just substitute. You can find the value of P. Okay. Cari nilai P saja. Okay. So you substitute all the informations. Then you will get the answer. Okay. Ini jawapan dia. Okay. Alright guys. This 2.718 is actually come from the value of E. Okay, kalau tak percaya, kamu tekan calculator guys. E kuasa 1. You all know where is the E, right? So E, butang dia kat sini guys. Boleh nampak? Kat loan. Tekan. Shift loan. Kamu nampak simbol E keluar. You all see the E? So you enter number 1. Okay, tekan 1. Macam ni. Sama dengan. So guys, do you see? Macam mana dapat 2.718? Boleh faham kan? Itu cara dapat. Okay, this is how you get the answer. Okay, kalau tak mau tulis 2.718, boleh kekal sebagai simbol E. Okay, you just maintain as E symbol also can. No problem. Okay, so you'll still get the same answer. Okay, so final answer is this one. Okay, and then make sure you give your answer in whole number. Okay, kena bagi jawapan dalam nombor bulat sahaja. Alright. Okay, so next one. Question D1. They ask you to complete the table. Okay, so kamu kena lengkapkan yang ni. So sangat senang lah guys. Guna rumus yang ni saja. Okay, just use the formula. Okay. And then wait, let me check. Okay, got K also. So just tekan calculator sahaja. Just press your calculator. Okay, K value tadi kita dah dapat 24 million. Okay. So you just substitute lah. So guys, this one is T sama dengan 19. T sama dengan 20, 21, 22, 23. So you just press calculator, get the answer. Dapat jawapan saja. Okay, so you all will get this one as your final answers. Okay, ini adalah semua jawapan dia. Okay, can understand guys? Senang kan? Very simple, right? Just don't make careless mistake lah bila tekan calculator. Jangan buat choice saja. Alright? Okay, so next one. Question D2. Okay, so question D2, mereka tanya when it will exceed 4.42 million for the first time. So anyone, when will it exceed 4.42 million? So kamu boleh wujud jadual guys. Refer your table. Okay, so saya bagi kamu lihat yang ni. Okay. So which part guys? Which year it exceed 4.42 million? Anyone? Tahun keberapa kat sini dia melebihi 4.4 juta berdasarkan jadual ni? Anyone? Which year? Kamu dah tengok? Yes, at the 21st year. Am I right? So guys, how to find that year? Macam mana nak tahu tahun sebenar tu? Just take 1990 plus 21. Am I right guys? Ambil 1990 tambah dengan 21. It's not 2121, it's 2011, guys. Guys, make sure you know how to plus correctly, okay. So you will get 2011. Okay, so the answer is 2011. Okay, can understand? Senang kan? Very easy. Okay, so clear? Sampai sekarang, do you all understand? Boleh faham kan? It's very straightforward. Okay, sangat asas. Alright, so next question. Okay, so now another type of question. They will ask you to form the function. Okay, kamu kena bentukkan fungsi dia. Mereka takkan bagi fungsi kat kamu. You must form the function yourself. So guys, may I know this question? They ask you to write a function that represent the number of road accident. So anyone? Can you try and see what is the function over here? Think and see. Apa fungsi dia kat sini? So first of all, you guys must identify what type of function is this. Apa jenis fungsi ni, guys? May I know? Kamu tengok pattern dia, kamu boleh lihat dah. Is this a quadratic function? Is this a cubic function? Is it a reciprocal function? Or is it a linear function? Which one, guys? May I know? Adakah ini graf jenis apa? Linear, quadratic, cubic, salingan, mana satu? Soalan ni. No. Guys, if you say quadratic, right? Quadratic mean that kena berkurang, lepas tu meningkat. Am I right? But guys, this one got only one trend, guys. Dia satu saja, menurun sahaja. So that's why the answer is linear, guys. Okay, jawapan dia linear. Boleh faham? Exponential cannot. Exponential, they don't test in this chapter, Olivia. They don't expect you to know exponential. Only got 4 main in this chapter: linear, quadratic, cubic, and reciprocal. Okay, only 4. Anytime question asked on this chapter, you just think of these 4. Enough. Don't think of others. All right. Okay, so now you must form the function, guys. Kena bentuk fungsi. Okay, so of course linear, you guys know, right? Y equal to mx plus c. So now we must find the m, we must find the c. Okay, so may I know how do we find our gradient? Macam mana cari kecerunan, guys? May I know? So of course you can do one step is you just substitute the value. Am I right? Kamu gantikan nilai saja dia, guys. Okay, so maybe this is x, this is y. Kamu boleh bagi simbol kat dia. Just give a random symbol. Okay, then you can get the answer. Okay, so y? Okay, so maybe let's say I choose this data. Saya nak pilih data ni untuk gantikan. So guys, I will substitute y is 521,000. Okay, m we don't know. X value, guys, may I know? X kita ganti apa kat sini? Sangat penting, guys. X value, what is the answer do I substitute? May I know? Cuba type kat saya, guys. Nilai X kena ganti apa? Untuk yang ni, for this one. Salah. 2017 salah. Cannot. You cannot just substitute the year itself, guys. No. Not 2, guys. Bukan 2. The answer is 1. 1. Kenapa 1? Sebab 1 tahun selepas 2016. Boleh faham? X sekarang kita kat sini mewakili bilangan tahun selepas 2016. Boleh faham tak, guys? So we have to substitute X equal to 1. The number of years after 2016. Okay, because 2016 we assume it as our starting. Okay, kita anggap dia sebagai permulaan. Okay, because data yang diberi mula dari yang tu kan. Okay, the given data start from that year. Kalau yes, betul, correct. Okay, that's why pintasan Y kita adalah 536,000. So terus dapat pintasan Y dah. Okay, so you can solve for your M value. Selesaikan saja. Okay, so let me check and see. Okay, yes. Okay, so M kamu akan dapat negative 15,000. Okay, if you solve and see, you should get M is negative 15,000. Okay, this one is plus 536,000. Okay, so your answer will look something like this. Okay, jawapan dia macam ni. Boleh guys? Can? Sebab actually kamu boleh pilih apa-apa yang kamu suka lah. You can choose anything you like. Tak semestinya kena pilih yang ni guys. Kamu boleh pilih yang ni, yang ni. Asalkan kamu pilih satu. Just choose one. Okay? All your answer will be the same. Okay, setiap jawapan akan sama. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay? Boleh kan? Clear right? This one here got extra zero guys. Mereka lupa tulis. There is an extra zero at the back. Satu lagi kosong. Okay? Alright, so continue. Okay, soalan B guys. May I know? They ask you to find the number of road accident. Okay, cari bilangan kemalangan. Okay, so means that kamu kena cari nilai Y. Betul? You must find your Y value. Okay, so 2025. 20 tahun. So guys, X value saya kena ganti apa? Think and see. 2025. Maksudnya, X sama dengan berapa? What is your X value? Very good. Okay, just substitute X equal to 9. Gantikan X sama dengan 9. Cari jawapan. Settle. Okay? Alright. Question number C. Soalan yang terakhir untuk soalan ni. Wait guys. Let me try to show you. Okay. So question C, they ask you in which year the number of accidents will reduce to 251,000. Okay, 251,000. So may I know how to find this guys? Macam mana boleh cari yang ni? So means that kamu kena cari nilai X. Am I right guys? Kamu kena cari nilai X dulu. Okay, find your X value. Then you have to estimate the year. So first, you just substitute Y equal to 251,000. Okay, ganti saja Y sama dengan 251 juta. Okay, count your X value. Okay, so X value, if you press calculator, kamu sepatutnya dapat. Sana, saya kena tekan. Okay, your X value should get 19 guys. 19. Okay, so if X equal to 19, maksudnya apa? 2016 plus 19. Am I right? Okay, 2016 kena tambah 15. So that's why jawapan dia adalah 2035. 2035. Understand? Boleh dapat guys? This question can respond a bit. Kalau faham? Faham ke tak? Do you guys get it? Anyone? Come on. So silent you guys. Sangat senyap. Ulang yang C. Okay. Kalau tak faham, kena bagi tahu. If you don't understand, you just tell. Why B sub into 9? Because they say 2025. Nampak kat sini. 2025. So guys, 2025. Kamu bandingkan dengan 2016. So 2025 minus 2016. Dapat 9 tahun kan? So X tu mewakili bilangan tahun selepas 2016. So X sama dengan 9 lah kalau 2025. Okay, wait ulang yang C. Okay, ulang C. Y C value 536. Oh, this one got mistake guys. This one is got extra zero. Got typo over here. Ada satu lagi kosong kat belakang. Okay? Boleh faham? Can Boleh? So ini semua jawapan dia. Okay, so continue Pergi lagi. Okay, so now they ask you to write a quadratic function guys. Kamu kena tulis satu fungsi kuadratik yang mewakili ini. Kenapa kena tambah? Sebab formula kita yang atas. Kita guna saja rumus sama untuk B dan C. Boleh? Y equal to mx plus C. Kita guna format yang ni. Okay, sebab situasi ini menggambarkan graf linear. Sebab trend dia menurun sahaja. So that's why dia adalah graf linear. Boleh faham? So Y sama dengan mx tambah C sahaja. Okay? Oh, kalau 2035, 2035 kat sini kalau kamu selesaikan, kamu dapat X sama dengan 19. Okay? So 2016 tambah 19, kamu dapat berapa guys? 2035. That's why 2035 lah jawapan dia. Sebab X tu mewakili bilangan tahun selepas 2016. That's why kita tambah 19. Okay? Alright. So now, they ask you to write quadratic function that represent the short part. Okay, kamu kena tulis fungsi kuadratik. Okay, of course, kamu kena mula dengan yang arm lah. Okay, start with your general formula. Okay, so ini adalah bentuk arm for quadratic. Okay, so now, your concept now is to find A, B, and C. Am I right? Kamu kena cari 3 nilai ni baru boleh bentukkan fungsi kuadratik. Okay, so may I know guys, what value are you going to substitute over here guys? Apa nilai kamu akan ganti dalam persamaan ni? Anyone? Can you tell me one coordinate? Coordinate. Apa coordinate kamu nampak kat sini guys? Okay, very good. Satu lagi. One more. When you have 2 coordinate, enough already. Kalau kamu ada 2 coordinate dah cukup. Tak. Siapa kata C sama dengan kosong? Yes. 80 guys. 80. Pintasan X guys. Nampak tak? Your X intercept. Okay, that's why it's 80. Okay? 03 tak boleh guys. Tengok kat sini. Adakah kamu ada graf kat sini? Tak ada kan? Kamu tak ada graf kat 03. That's why 03 tak boleh. Kamu kena ingat, titik yang kamu gantikan tu, dia kena ada di atas graf. Okay, whatever point you sub inside the graph, that point must be on the graph. Contoh, yang ni atas graf. Yang ni atas graf. Boleh faham guys? Yang ni pun atas graf. Tapi kita tak tahu yang tu. Okay? Yes. 80 boleh. Okay? Can? Senang kan? Very straightforward. Okay, so now, apa konsep yang kamu guna guys untuk cari A, B dan C? What is your concept over here? 2 titik, kamu gantikan, maksudnya kamu akan bentuk 2 persamaan. Am I right? You will form 2 equation. So, kamu kena selesaikan dia secara serentak. Okay, solve the 2 equation simultaneously. Simultaneous equation. Persamaan serentak. Okay, so you will have these 2 equation. Okay, kamu akan ada 2 persamaan ni. Alright, so guys, dari 2 persamaan ni, kamu nak hapuskan pemboleh ubah yang mana? Boleh saya tahu? What variable you guys want to eliminate? Yes, C sangat senang kan? Boleh tolak. Okay, you just minus these 2 equation. Tolak 2 persamaan ni saja. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, so you just take 9A minus 64A plus 3B minus 8B equal to 3 minus 0. Okay, so this value is negative 55A tambah, tolak negative 5B equal to 3. Then guys, kamu kena hapuskan satu lagi pemboleh ubah. Okay, you must try to eliminate another variable from here. Okay, kat sini kamu boleh guna kaedah penggantian. You can use substitution method. So macam mana? Dari persamaan yang ni lah. Okay, you just use 64A plus 8B equal to 0. C tadi dah hapus. Am I right? You already eliminate your C value. Okay, so you can express B in term of A. Okay, ungkapkan B dalam sebutan A. You will get, wait guys. Let me see whether correct or not. Start. Wait for a while. Okay, so for this one, this one not correct. Okay, so if you express B in term of A, for this one you will get negative 64. So negative 8A. Okay, kamu akan dapat B sama dengan negative 8A. Yes. Okay, so means that you can substitute inside here. Am I right? Kamu boleh gantikan kat sini. Okay, you just substitute inside the top equation. Or if you guys want to be easy, you guys just try to solve these 2 equations simultaneously. Okay, so currently you guys have what? You have 9A plus 3B equal to 3 and also 64A plus 8B equal to 0. Okay, so you can just minus, like you get this equation. Am I right? Kamu dapat persamaan ni. Okay, so you can already start to solve simultaneous. Selesaikan secara serentak. Okay, So you will get this as your answer. Okay, kamu akan dapat macam ni sebagai jawapan dia. Okay, do you guys get it? Boleh faham? Can or not? Boleh ke tak? Yang ni. Macam mana? Kamu kena cuba ungkapkan salah satu persamaan kat sini. Okay, mungkin saya pun nak lihat. Okay, dah dapat dah. Okay, so guys, tadi bila kamu dapat yang ni kan, okay, you get this answer. Am I right? Kamu dapat jawapan ni. Okay, you can choose to express B in term of A or A in term of B. Boleh dapat? So maksudnya kamu permudahkan yang ni lah. Okay, just now the equation like this, right? Minus 5B equal to 3. So now, how can you simplify this, guys? Okay, so maybe you can shift. Okay, pindahkan. You just shift it to the right hand side. And then 5B equal to negative 3 minus 55A. And then, kamu ungkapkan B dalam sebutan A. Okay, express B in term of A. Then you just substitute in one of these equation. Okay, ganti dalam dua persamaan ni. Satu dah cukup. Okay, only one. Then you can get the answers. Boleh dapat jawapan. Okay? Can? Boleh kan? You guys get it, right? Okay? Boleh dapat? Alright. So then kamu akan dapat semua jawapan ni. You will get all these answer. Okay? So this is your quadratic equation. Okay, usually, right, when you guys see got like 3 variable, 3 pemboleh ubah, right, kadang-kadang kamu kena hapuskan lah. You must try to eliminate, baru boleh. Sebab 3 pemboleh ubah, 2 persamaan tak cukup. It's not enough. So you need to find other ways. Kena cari lagi cara untuk hapuskan. Okay? Another alternative is, kamu tahu kan, satu daripada punca adalah 8. Am I right? One of the root is equal to what? Equal to 8. Am I right? So you can actually form the quadratic equation. Kamu boleh bentuk dia sebenarnya. So guys, one of the root is 8. Maksudnya X tolak 8. Am I right? Satu lagi, punca. Kamu boleh anggarkan. You can try to estimate. So kamu nampak guys, kalau graf ni saya extend lagi, pasti punca dia negatif. Am I right? You will have a negative root. So negative root maksudnya apa? Okay, saya boleh bagi contoh lah, X tambah Y. Okay, katakan punca tu adalah Y. Sama dengan kosong. So now you guys can form the equation already. Boleh bentuk. Then kamu bandingkan dengan yang ni, cari nilai A, B dan C. Boleh tak? Ini satu lagi kaedah juga. Another method. Okay? Do you guys get it? Boleh kan? So ini pun kamu boleh guna. Kalau kamu tak suka kaedah ni. If you don't like. Okay? So continue. Alright. So question B. They ask you to state what is represented by X equal to 0 in the real world. Macam soalan tadi guys. Apa maksud X sama dengan kosong? Anyone? Very logic. X represent your horizontal distance. Jarak mengufuk. So kalau X sama dengan kosong, maksud dia apa? What's the meaning? You must tell in words. Remember, kena bagi dalam perkataan. Tak boleh bagi nilai. So anyone? Cuba huraikan kat saya. What is the meaning? X equal to 0. Okay, Ken? Yes. Okay, you can say starting point or you can say like this. Okay, you just say the height of the short part during it release. Okay, kamu kata tinggi lontar peluru apabila dilepaskan. Sebab kalau X sama dengan kosong, maksudnya dia baru dilepaskan. So, itu merujuk tinggi dia lah. Okay? And then, they ask you to state the value. Nyatakan nilai. Okay, so I think this one, they are asking on the Y value. Okay, mereka tengah tanya nilai Y code. Okay, so when X equal to 0, dia maksud dia apa guys? Dia maksud pintasan Y kamu. Am I right? Your Y-intercept. When X equal to 0, it refer to your C value, which is your Y-intercept. Okay, that's why kamu akan dapat jawapan 48/25 sahaja. Okay, it's your Y-intercept. Because X equal to 0. Macam ni. Okay, so next question. Soalan C. Question C, they ask you to state the horizontal distance when it is at the same height as B. Mereka suruh nyatakan jarak mengufuk ataupun nilai X bila dia sama tinggi macam kat soalan B. So anyone? How to do this? Macam mana buat? Cuba fikir. How can I do this? Okay, so maksudnya tinggi tadi adalah apa? Tinggi tadi adalah 48 per 25. Okay, 48 over 25. So kamu kena ganti sajalah. Just substitute in your equation. Y equal to 48 over 25. Okay, so dua ni akan potong sebab sama nilai, same value. So this thing equal to 0, sama dengan kosong. Okay, then you just solve your equation. Selesaikan persamaan yang ni. Okay, so you can factorize. Okay, kamu boleh faktorkan 3. So negative x square plus 2x equal to 0. Okay, and then x square minus 2x equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0. Okay, so macam ni lah. Sorry, yang ni 18. Kenapa saya tulis 6? Sorry ya, this one is 18. Okay, so that means this one is 6. 6. Okay, boleh faham kan guys? You guys can understand, right? The concepts over here. Okay, so when you solve this quadratic equation, bila selesaikan yang ni, you will get x is 0, x equal to 6. So mana jawapan dia guys? May I know? Which one is your correct answer? Anyone? Kosong atau 6? Mana yang betul secara logik? Yes. Okay, jawapan dia adalah 6. Okay, because when you have a height, confirm your x cannot be 0 lah guys. Okay, because now you're referring to this height. Kamu tengah bincang pasal yang ni. 48 per 25. So you guys just draw a straight line. So this is the value they want you to find guys. So when you solve, you should get x equal to 6. Logic kan berdasarkan graph. Your value is very logic. That's how you get 6. Okay? So that's why the answer is 6. Okay, boleh guys? Sampai sekarang, do you guys understand? Boleh kan? So we continue lagi soalan. When you guys try only, you will understand this chapter well. Trust me. Bila buat soalan baru, kamu akan faham bab ni dengan lebih bagus. Okay, when you try more, you understand more. Okay, you can see right guys, the question on calculation is very easy. Am I right? Soalan pengeran dia macam kamu aplikasi pengetahuan sebelum ni. Betul? Contoh tadi, you apply your quadratic knowledge, Form 4 Chapter 1. Then later you guys will see some more type of chapter. You will apply probability also in mathematical modeling. Okay, kamu akan aplikasikan ilmu kebarangkalian juga dalam bab ni. Okay? Alright. So first question guys, they ask you to express the area of the field. Okay, ungkapkan luas padang. So how? Very simple, right? You just take length times width. Okay, kali 2 ni saja. Okay, so that is your answer. Ini jawapan dia. Okay, kalau nak kembangkan pun boleh. If you want to expand like this also can. So this is your answer. Ini jawapan dia. Okay, settle. Soalan A1. Okay, next one. They tell you the area of the field is 5100 and they want you to count the length. So guys, the length, okay, panjang dia adalah yang ni. Okay, this one. Length 5x plus 20. And then your width, okay, lebar kamu adalah x. Wait guys. Okay, so this one is your width. Ini adalah lebar kamu. Alright? Clear, right? So you just need to solve quadratic. Okay, selesaikan persamaan kuadratik saja. Okay, so you will have equation like this. You solve. Okay, x equal negative 34, tak boleh. Cannot. Because we are talking about length, panjang tak boleh negative. Okay, so you just substitute x equal to 30 back inside over here. Okay, gantikan x sama dengan 30. Alright, then you will get the answer 170 meters. Boleh kan guys? Understand or not? Respond to me. Faham ke tak? Sampai sekarang. Sangat faham kan? Very understand, right? Am I right? Okay, so continue. Kalau faham. Okay, next one. The question asks you to... wait Okay, they ask you to determine which store offers the best price to minimize the purchase of cost of fence. Okay, this is a very general question. Soalan sangat Okay, so guys, whenever you want to fence something, bila nak pagar sesuatu, dia bincang pasal quantity apa guys? What quantity are they talking about here regarding the field? Yes, always when you see the word fence means perimeter guys. Selalu ingat, pagar maksudnya mereka nak kamu cari perimeter. Senang macam tu. Okay? So you have to find the perimeter. So guys, how to find it? Very simple. You already get your X value. Okay, kamu sudah ada nilai X. Okay, so X value is equal to 30. Okay, so perimeter 2 times 30 plus, okay, you substitute X here, you will get 170. Okay, 170. Okay, so you just plus like this. Then answer is 400. 400 meter. So now you come back to the question. Okay, so mana yang lebih bagus guys antara dua kaedah ni? Kedai. Which of the two shop is better? So you must compare and see lah guys. So now you have 400 meter. Am I right? 400 meter. So guys, kalau pilih kedai A, berapa gulung kamu akan ada guys? Boleh saya tahu? If I choose shop A, how many rolls do I have? Now my total is 400 meter. So kalau A, berapa gulung? Anyone? Come on. Sangat senang. Berapa gulung? How many rolls you have? May I know? Yes? Berapa gulung guys? How many rolls do you have if you choose shop A? Anyone? Try and see. Don't worry. Cuba saja. What is your answer? Betul ke? Guys, 400 meter now, you know. 400 meter. One roll, 80 meter. 400 meter, berapa roll? Yes. Boleh. Boleh kembangkan kalau kamu nak juga. Tak ada masalah. Dua-dua betul. Yes. Okay, you just take 400 divide by 80. So that's why your answer is 5. 5 rolls. 5 gulung. Okay, then if kedai B, may I know how many rolls? Berapa gulung? Yes. You take 400 divide 50. So your answer is 8. So now you count the cost guys. Cari harga dia. Okay, so for kedai A, may I know what is the total price? Jumlah harga. Count and see. What is your answer? Why 50? The question give that. Guys, soalan bagi dah 50. Kamu tak boleh persoalkan soalan. The question give you the length of one roll is 50. Okay? Yes. Okay, your answer should get 3,200 guys. Okay, so you just take 640 times 5. 640 kali 5. Very good. Okay, soalan B. Kedai B. How much? Yes. Okay, 4,000. Correct. Okay, so you just take 500 times 8. So jawapan is 4,000. So guys, which one is the cheaper one? Kedai mana ada harga lebih rendah? A or B? Untuk jawab soalan. Yes. Simple or not guys? Mathematics. Mathematics sangat senang lah guys. It's so easy. Okay, yes. The answer is A. Okay, so you have to show all the calculation. Kena tunjuk semua pengeran ni untuk dapat markah. Okay, total got 6 marks guys. Sangat banyak. Got 6 marks in total. Okay, so this is how you score all the 6 marks. Okay, boleh? So can continue. Okay, next one. Okay, now you see guys. Soalan C, suddenly they come to talk about consumer maths. About consumer mathematics. So guys, when you see this kind of question, okay, kamu lihat kata kunci pengkompaunan, compounding. So may I know what type of interest is this guys? Apa jenis faedah yang ni for question C? Is it simple interest or compound interest? Faedah mudah atau faedah compound? Yes. Okay, this one is compound interest guys. Okay, whenever you see the time period compound every 3 months, this is known as compound interest. So guys, what is the formula? Yes, formula MV lah. Okay, you can refer in front of your paper also. Okay, rumus ni sudah diberi dalam exam. Okay, so you just need to apply it. Okay, so may I know what is my P value guys? Apa nilai P saya? Cuba bagi tahu berdasarkan soalan. Very good. 24,000. Okay, R value, nilai R berapa? R value must careful lah guys. Yes, very good. Don't say 2.5 ya guys. Jangan kata 2.5. Because R value refer to the rate, kadar. Kadar tu maksudnya kamu kena bahagi 100 selalunya. You must divide by 100 if you have percentage. Kalau ada peratusan like this one. Okay? Okay, what is your N value guys? Apa nilai N? May I know? Okay, very good. The answer is 4 guys. Jawapan dia 4. Okay, N actually represent the number of times compounded. Okay, N tu mewakili bilangan kali di compound dalam 1 tahun. So mereka cakap di compound setiap 3 bulan. So kalau 12 bulan 1 tahun, berapa kali kamu compound? 12 bahagi 3 sama dengan 4. Yes. Okay, so that's why the answer is actually 4. Okay, so apa nilai T guys? What is your T value? Are you sure? Yes. The answer is 5 guys. Boleh nampak kat sini tak? 5 tahun. 5 years. Okay, that's why the answer is 5. Okay, boleh? Can, right? Okay, so N is 4, T is 5. Okay, then you will get the answer di. Boleh dapat jawapan. Okay, never mind, don't worry. Mistake doesn't matter. Okay, over here got a mistake guys. This one is supposed to be 4. Okay, 4. Okay, let me check and see whether the value is still correct or not. Okay, so change the value. Yang ni silap. Okay, you should get 27184.99. Okay, this is the final answer guys. Jawapan akhir. Alright, are you clear? Boleh dapat kan? Very straightforward. Am I right? Okay, so we continue some more. Okay, question number 2. Okay, I think this is the, let me see. This is the second last question already. Soalan kedua terakhir. Okay, so for this question, they ask you to form linear equation. Okay, so most likely they are asking you to do simultaneous lah guys. Kamu kena buat persamaan serentak. Okay, so may I know, what is your first equation? Persamaan pertama. They ask you to, let me see. The amount of money is RM30. Jumlah wang yang diperlukan adalah 30. So cuba bentuk kat saya satu persamaan. One equation only. Very simple. Sangat mudah juga. Very straightforward. So anyone? What's the equation? No. Guys, you must use all the information given. Okay, now we are comparing the cost. Am I right? So means that RM30 means that you must compare these two also. Am I right? Kamu kena bandingkan cost dengan cost. Yes, very good Samantha. 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 30. Start Saya pernah jumpa soalan dia cakap yang ni ada kontroversi sikit. Okay guys, this one they talk about suku tahun kan, di compound suku tahun. In English is every quarter of a year. Okay, so bilangan kali di compound kat sini adalah 3. Okay, 3 times. You guys understand? N sama dengan 3. Okay, sebab suku tahun 4 bulan. Am I right? So 4, 4, 4. So kamu ada 3 kali 4 bulan. So that's why N sama dengan 3. Boleh tak guys? Can, right? Sebab tempoh masa 1 kali di compound tu adalah, yes, 12 bagi 4 lah. So N sama dengan 3. Alright? Boleh? Sangat senang untuk faham. Okay, so the answer correct. Okay, so you should get 0.2x plus, wait, I need to make this bigger. This is the type of question of 15 marks guys. Ini adalah contoh soalan bahagian C. This is the example of a section C question I am discussing with you all. Okay, so somehow they actually put this under mathematical modeling also. Semua yang ni masuk bawah pemmodelan matematik. Okay, sebab pemmodelan matematik ni dia sangat am. So dia boleh merangkumi ke semua bab yang pernah kamu belajar dalam syllabus matematik. Okay, it can involve all the chapter in your math syllabus. So kamu kena bagus jugalah dalam bab lain. Kalau kamu nak bagus dalam bab ni. Okay? Alright. So next one. Okay, so yang ni mereka tanya ungkapkan X dalam sebutan Y. Okay, express X in term of Y. Very simple. Am I right? So you just use your equation just now. Okay, guna saja persamaan tadi, ungkapkan saja. Just express. Okay, so they ask you X in term of Y. So maksudnya X semua kat sebelah kiri, Y semua kat sebelah kanan. Okay, your answer should be something like this. Okay, so you just do algebra saja. Okay, kalau kamu nak permudahkan yang ni lebih, boleh. Okay, if you want to simplify some more also can. You will get, let me see. Wait guys. Okay, so if you want to simplify, let me check and see. 30 over 0.2, yes, can. Okay, so you will get 150 minus 3 over 2y. Kalau kamu bagi jawapan ni pun boleh. This one also no problem. Okay? Alright. So continue. Okay, so untuk soalan B1. Okay, so now guys, this topic they ask you on the circles, topik bulatan. Okay, circles topic. So for this one, they ask you to calculate the volume of jar. Okay, cari isi padu balang. So guys, balang, bentuk dia apa guys? Boleh saya tahu? What is the shape of a jar? Siapa jawab yang ni salah, habis kamu. What is the shape of a jar, guys? May I know? Is it cone shape or pyramid shape? What is the shape of a jar? Yes, lucky you all correct. The answer is cylinder, guys. Balang tu selalunya kena cylinder. Kecuali balang kamu adalah sesuatu balang yang unik lah. If your jar is a unique one, then maybe your jar is a cone shape. Your jar is maybe a cube shape. Tapi secara balang tu adalah cylinder generally. Okay? So may I know what is the volume of cylinder, guys? Anyone? Isi padu cylinder formula. Kena ingat. You must remember. Especially those take at maths. Sesiapa ambil matematik tambahan kat sini, kena ingat rumus untuk isi padu cylinder. Yes. Okay, the answer is pi r square h, guys. Okay? So what is your r? May I know? Apa nilai r kamu kat sini? Berdasarkan soalan. P ya. Kamu kena fokus untuk P. So what is your R value? Anyone? Come on. Jangan senyap sangat. What is your R value, guys? Kenapa 0.5? Yes, 3. Okay, guys. R tu merujuk kepada jejari balang. Okay, the radius of your jar. Okay, you cannot substitute the radius of your marble. It's wrong. Okay, tak boleh gantikan jejari guli. Okay, because now you're counting the volume of the jar, not the volume of your marble. Okay, alright. So R equal to 3. And then what is your H value, guys? Apa nilai H? Yes. Okay, H equal to 5. Very good. Okay, so then you will get the answer, adik. Kamu akan dapat jawapan. Okay, so you just substitute like this. Okay. Okay, so lastly, you can also write unit if you want. Okay, boleh tulis unit ke akhir juga. Okay, cm cube. Okay. Okay, boleh continue lagi. Can go on. Okay, so next one. Okay, so for question B2. Okay, so B2, they say excess space is being filled with marbles. This is the volume untuk semua guli itu. And they want you to show. Matematik pun ada soalan buktikan tau, guys. Jangan ingat maths saja ada soalan buktikan. Okay, maths also sometimes they can ask you proving question. Jangan takut. Don't be scared if you see this kind of question in SPM. Okay? Alright. So, how do we approach this? Macam mana nak buat soalan ni? Okay. So, first step, kamu kena cari apa nak kata isi padu yang diambil oleh kesemua guli itu. Okay, you want to find the volume that is occupied by all of these marbles. So how to find? Okay, so you just take the total volume of the jar, ambil seluruh isi padu bekas tu, tolak dengan nilai dalam soalan. Okay, you just minus the value given in the question. Okay, so your answer will get 104.76. Okay, 104.76. So this will represent the space that is occupied by all the marbles. Okay, jumlah yang dirangkumi oleh kesemua guli tu. Okay, the value over here, right guys? The question give you a different value. Am I right? Soalan bagi nilai yang berbeza. It's okay. You just change the question, guys. Change it to 36.67. Okay, tukar soalan. Alright. Soalan bagi nilai salah. Okay, just change the question, guys. 36.43, you change to 36.67. Okay? Alright. So now, marbles. What is the shape of marbles, guys? May I know? Apa bentuk guli? Yang ni pun kena jawab betul lah. What is the shape of marbles, guys? Lucky you all say sphere. Very good. Okay, so guys, why are you writing? I must ask you the question. What is the formula, guys, for the volume of sphere? May I know? Apa rumus bagi isi fadu sfera? Yang ni pun kena ingat. You must remember. Anyone? Volume of sphere. Isi padu sfera. Apa rumus dia? Come on. Jangan hujung mana-mana kalau boleh. Salah. Guys. Always I see you guys make this mistake. Selalu nampak silap macam ni. Jangan R kuasa 2, guys. Kamu lihat semua formula untuk isi padu, kamu takkan nampak satu rumus pun dengan kuasa 2. Perasan tak, guys? Do you guys realize this? When you count volume, you won't see one formula also for any shape with a square. Because volume, isi padu unit dia apa, guys? cm cube. Cube. So macam mana datang cube tu, guys? Kuasa 3. Daripada jejari kuasa 3 lah. So that's why formula kamu mesti ada R kuasa 3. Tak boleh kuasa lain. Okay, you cannot have any other power. Because your final answer is cm cube. Okay? So logic only, guys. Sangat logic. Kalau cm cube, jejari cube. Macam tu. Okay? So now, the front number you guys correct lah. 4/3 pi. Ini adalah pemala dia lah. Constant. Okay? So you can just use this formula. Okay, guna rumus ni. Alright. So what is your R value, guys? Yang kamu akan gantikan? What will you substitute here? Read the question. Baca soalan. So R sama dengan apa? Yes. Okay, 0.5 lah. So ganti saja. Just substitute R equal to 0.5. Okay, so you will get this one as your volume. Okay, so this one is for how many marbles, guys? May I know? Yang ni untuk berapa guli sebenarnya? Anyone? How many marbles? This one over here. Berapa guli kat sini? No, this is not total, guys. It's one only. Remember, single marble. Whenever you count 4/3 pi R cube is for one marble. If you want to count many marbles, you must times the amount you have at the end. Do you get me? Kamu kena darab nombor ke akhir. So remember to times if you want to find the total volume of a certain amount of marble. Okay, so now the question asks you to show that you have 200 marbles. So how to show? You must take the total volume occupied by all the marbles, divide total volume for one marble. Then you will get the number of marble. That's the concept. Okay, jumlah isi padu oleh kesemua guli bahagi jumlah isi padu bagi satu guli sama dengan bilangan guli. Itu konsep dia, guys. That is the concept you must use. Okay? So when you solve, you will get this answer. Okay, kamu akan dapat jawapan ni. Okay, do you guys understand? And then make sure your answer is whole number, guys. Guys, do we have such number of marbles? Adakah kita ada bilangan guli macam ni? Yes or no? May I know? Jangan tinggal jawapan macam ni. Totally wrong. Salah. Okay, it's not correct. Yes, there is no such thing as half a marble in this world. So make sure kamu kena bundarkan kepada jawapan terdekat. Round off your answer. Okay? Alright. So now come to your favorite topic, guys. Probability. Siapa suka bab ni? Kebarang kalian. This question is for you. 7 marks. Kalau nilai pi tak bagi, biasanya saya akan suruh tekan pi dalam kalkulator. Simbol ni, guys. You just press your shift and then your bottom pi. Usually if they never give value, just use the calculator pi. Okay, biasanya soalan akan bagilah. Usually the question will tell use pi equal to 22/7 or 3.142. Dua ni mereka akan bagi tahu biasanya. Alright. Tapi soalan tadi mereka tak bagi kan. Just now question don't have. It's okay. Okay, kamu boleh tekan nilai pi sebenar dalam calculator juga. Yang tu pun boleh. Okay. Alright. So now they ask you to find the probability. Okay. One by one without returning. So guys, ini adalah case tanpa penggantian. Betul? This is without replacement. So guys, this one is dependent or independent? May I know? Without replacement, tanpa penggantian. Adakah ini peristiwa bersandar atau tak bersandar? Sekarang kita bincang pasal kebarangkalian. Probability. Anyone? Without replacement. Yes, very good. Okay, dependent guys, bersandar. Sebab nilai kebarangkalian tu akan dipengaruhi. Okay, it will be affected your probability value when you don't replace the marble back. Very logic. Okay, alright. So now they ask you red marble and blue marble. Okay, so may I know guys, apa dua nilai yang kamu akan darab kat sini? Try and see. What are your two answers? Or the final answer boleh bagi juga. If you have the final answer, you just share. So anyone? Apa jawapan dia? What's the final answer? Red marble and also blue marble. Hello guys, come on. What's your final answer? Are you sure? 16/135. Wait, let me check. No? Yes. Okay, the correct answer is 4/33 guys. Okay, jawapan dia 4/33. Okay, maybe I know your mistake. Okay, so they say red marble, right? Okay, so red 12 over total. Total is 45. Am I right? 45. Okay, the second one is very important. Nilai kebarangkalian yang kedua sangat penting. Because without replacement, tanpa penggantian. Okay, so if they say blue marble 20, the total yang ni sangat penting guys. What is the total here? Yes. Okay, it must be 44. You must minus 1 guys. Kena tolak 1. Because they say without returning. Tanpa dikembalikan. So jumlah guli akan berkurang 1. Okay, total marble must decrease by 1. Okay, so 45 become 44. So then just press calculator. So your answer will get this one. Okay, this is your final answer. 4/33. Okay, boleh? Can, right? Simple, right? Okay, see question number 2. Okay, so now they say accept yellow marble. Mereka tak mau guli kuning. So macam mana kira yang ni? This one. So this one also is very logic. Sangat mudah untuk dapat jawapan. So bila dapat jawapan terus share. Just share your final answer. Yes, selalunya macam tu. Jumlah kena tolak 1. Kat bawah tu, nilai kat penyebut pecahan kamu. Tapi kamu kena lihat jugalah. Okay, kalau dia bincang pasal guli warna sama, atas pun kena tolak 1. Sebab kamu dah ambil 1 guli untuk kali pertama. Lepas tu kali kedua, pengangka pun kena tolak 1. Sama dengan jumlah. Okay, sebab dia tidak akan dikembalikan. Okay, warna sama tu tidak akan dikembalikan. So, pengangka pun kena tolak 1. Kalau warna lain, kamu maintain saja info dalam jadual. Okay, jumlah saja tolak 1 kalau warna lain. Yes, betul. So anyone, what is your answer guys for number 2? May I know? Boleh share? What is your final answer? Kena cepat tau. Bila selesaikan soalan macam ni. You guys must be quick. So anyone? Boleh share? Siapa tak tahu macam mana nak buat? Who don't know how to solve? 3/11. Wait, let me check and see. Nope. The answer is not 3/11. Anyone else want to try? Soalan 2. What is your answers? Okay, so guys, they ask you accept yellow marble. No. They ask you accept yellow marble. Means what? Means that can be red, can be blue. Okay, boleh merah ataupun biru. Tapi konsep yang lebih senang, kita boleh guna apa guys? So whenever you see the word accept or selain, you can use the concept of 1 minus guys. 1 minus apa? Probability kedua-dua guli itu adalah kuning. Am I right? You take 1 minus probability, you get 2 yellow marbles. Then kamu akan dapat kebarangkalian selain guli kuning. Faham tak? Sebab satu tu adalah jumlah kebarangkalian ketiga-tiga guli yang ni. Okay, it's the total probability for 3 marble. Okay, so your concept is, so for the first y it is 13/45. Okay, 13 guli kuning bagi jumlah. Second, may I know what's the value guys? Second value, yang kedua, after your 13/45. Yang kedua dapat apa? No, not 32. Now we are talking about same color guys. Warna sama. Kedua-dua kuning. Warna sama. Same color. Maksudnya, atas pun kena tolak satu guys. Yes, 12/44. Okay, remember, warna sama, atas tolak satu, bawah tolak satu. Okay, that's the concept. Okay, then yes. Okay, final answer kamu akan dapat 152/165. So ini jawapan dia. Okay, boleh? Can, right? Logic kan? So next one. Okay, soalan ketiga ni yang paling susah. Okay, so they want you to find 2 marbles of the same color. Okay, 2 guli sama warna. Okay, so how to do this guys? So kamu kena senaraikan case by case. Apa case kamu sekarang? So guys, 2 marbles of the same color. So may I know? First case is what? Case pertama tu apa? Boleh bagi tak kat saya? Anyone? Come on. What is your first case? 2 red. Okay, let's see. Yes. Okay, 2 marble of same color. Warna sama. So red. Second. Second very easy already lah. Blue and also yellow. Merah, biru, kuning. Okay. So then you just add the probability. Okay, kalau case berbeza, kena tambah nilai kebarangkalian dia. Okay, different case, you must add the value. Kalau case yang sama guys, kita darab atau tambah. Do we times or plus? If we focus on one case. Times or plus? Yes. Okay, selalu ingat, kalau case sama kena darab. Okay, always within the same case is times. Kalau banding 2 case, kita tambah plus. Because it happened at different time. Dia berlaku pada masa berbeza antara 2 case. Okay, so ambil nilai saja. Just take the value. Okay, wait. So you will get this answer. Okay, kamu akan dapat jawapan ni. Okay, can you all see it? So make sure, since it's same color, warna sama, atas tolak 1, bawah tolak 1. Up -1, down -1. Up -1, down -1. Boleh nampak pola di atas guys. There is a pattern over here. Tengok. Antara nilai pertama dan kedua. Because they say without replacement. Tanpa penggantian. Okay? Alright. So we come to the last question guys for today. Soalan terakhir hari ini. Untuk habislah seluruh bab ni. Okay. So for this question, another question where they mix all the topic. Mereka gabung semua topik kat sini. So boleh anggap sebagai ulang kaji lah. Treat it as your revision. Okay. So now, they ask you to find the length of AB. Okay. So macam mana cari panjang AB guys? Can you all tell me the concept? So now you want to know this one. So maksudnya, kena fokus yang mana sekarang? What you guys must see. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, kamu boleh cari BE. Okay, so BE adalah berapa? May I know? Sorry guys. The question actually asked BE ya. English is wrong. Sorry. Tukar soalan. Ikut BM. Okay, mereka nak cari BE sebenarnya. Okay, sangat senang dah. Okay, it's not AB. Alright. Tak perlu. Mereka suruh cari yang ni. This one guys. Find BE. Yes. Okay, just use the ratio guys. Guna nisbah sahaja. Okay, BE is 2. EC is 3. Okay, so for BE, 2/5 times 50. Okay, that's why answer is 20. Konsep nisbah, your ratio. Okay, 2 over total ratio, jumlah nisbah, which is 5, 5. Okay, then times your whole length, seluruh panjang dia. So the answer is 20. Okay, alright. So next one, they ask you to form a quadratic expression. Ungkapan kuadratik untuk luas trapezium. Okay, this is a trapezium. So anyone, what is the formula for your trapezium? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Apa rumus trapezium? Anyone? Formula? Come on. Or if you have the expression, you can type also. Kalau kamu ada ungkapan, boleh bagi tahu. Yes. Okay, half A plus B times H. Okay. So A plus B is your sum of two parallel sides. Okay, hasil tambah dua sisi selari. Okay, so this one plus this one. And then height, this is your height. Ini adalah tinggi kamu. Okay. So buat pengiraan saja. Just calculate the value. Okay, so you will get this one as your final answer. Ini jawapan akhir. Okay, very clear, right? Okay, next one. Lagi. Okay, we see question number 3. Soalan ketiga. Okay, so for question 3, they tell you area of shaded region is 100. 1,000. 1,000. So maksudnya, jawapan kedua kamu samakan dengan 1,000 sajalah. Okay, just equal your answer to 1,000. So then you have to find your X value. Cari nilai X. Okay? Sorry guys. Now they're talking about shaded area. Sorry. B and C dia tak ada hubungan. Okay, so you must find by yourself what is your shaded area. So this one is a triangle. Am I right? Segitiga. So we know this one is 20. This one is 2x plus 4. So kamu guna luas segitiga punya rumus. Area of triangle. Okay, so you will have half times base times height. Okay, setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. Okay, this formula. Okay, then this is just a linear equation. Persamaan linear saja. So kamu selesaikan, dapat jawapan X equal to 48. So that is your answer. Boleh? Senang kan untuk soalan A? Do you guys understand or not? Boleh faham tak? Soalan A. Simple, right? Okay, so we go next one. Soalan B. Soalan kedua terakhir dah. Second last bahagian. A2. A2. Which part you don't understand? Oh, this one they simplify the formula, guys. Okay, originally half times A plus B times H, right? Okay, so you have X minus 18 plus 50. Am I right? So X minus 18 plus 50. And then you have 2X plus 4. Adalah tinggi kamu. So yang ni, mereka dah potong. Okay? So you get X plus 2 over here. That's why X plus 2 kat sini. Dan yang ni adalah X tambah 32. Mereka dah ringkaskan dah. They already simplify. Boleh faham? Can you understand now? Macam mana dapat? So if you guys want to write the whole thing also can. Boleh tulis penuh macam ni. Lebih bagus. It's better. Okay? Can Okay. If you don't really understand, you must try to do more algebra question, guys. Kalau kamu rasa diri kamu lemah algebra, kena buat lagi soalan algebra. Okay, that one only can help. Alright? Okay, so now they want to place fence, guys. So fence, bila nampak pagar, bincang pasal apa, guys? May I know? Fence. So fence is about what? Very good. Perimeter, guys. Okay? So mereka cakap kat sini. Okay. So 1 meter RM15. So this is the rate, guys. Kadar dia. Okay, so now kamu kena tentukan sama ada yang tu cukup ke tak. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so installation 1/3 daripada jumlah. Okay, so now, first step, you must count the length. Kamu kena cari panjang. Okay, so they say AB and also BE. Okay, so AB and also BE. Okay, so first step, AB sama dengan berapa guys? May I know? Okay, so X tadi kamu dah dapat nilai. Am I right? X equal to 48. So maksudnya kamu gantikan kat sini lah. Okay, so you will get 100. This one is 20. 20. So guys, may I know how to find AB? What theorem? Kita guna theorem apa kat sini? This one is a right angle triangle. Segitiga sudut tegak. So maksudnya, yes, Pythagoras theorem. So just macam ni lah. Okay, guna rumus saja. Okay, so this is your value. If you count and see, you will get 102. Okay, tepat. 102. Okay, so your AB plus BE is just 102 plus 20. Okay, so total, it is equal to 122. Okay, jumlah dia. Alright, so you can see the working here. Okay, so it's 122. Okay, so then they tell you that 1 meter RM15. So 122 meter berapa jumlah dia? Kali sajalah, just times the two value. Then you get 1830. Okay, then kamu juga ada cost pemasangan, installation cost guys. So they tell you it is 1/3 of the total purchase. Maksudnya apa? 1/3 kali dengan nilai tadi lah, yaitu 1830. Okay, so 1/3 kali 1830. Okay, so your answer will get 2440. So guys, bandingkan sekarang. 2440 bandingkan with 3500. So mencukupi ke tak guys? May I know? Jumlah budget 3500. Sekarang nilai kamu adalah yang ni saja. So budget dipatuhi ke tak? Do you satisfy? Yes. Cukuplah. Okay, so mencukupi. Settle. Understand guys? Soalan B? Boleh kan? Very easy, right? Sangat senang lah guys. Yang ni section C tahu guys. Soalan bahagian C. This is section C format. Okay. So now we come to the last question. Soalan terakhir hari ni. Okay guys, this question. Okay, this one is about consumer maths. Okay, consumer mathematics. Okay, so now they want you to count your monthly installment. Okay, angsuran bulanan. Okay, so first step, what must you find guys? Kamu kena cari apa dulu sebelum cari angsuran bulanan? What you guys must find? May I know? Anyone? First step, langkah pertama. Bukan? Guys, whenever you see monthly installment, right? Angsuran bulanan dia ada satu rumus. There is one formula. Yes, your interest guys. Kamu boleh cari interest. Okay, so this one is actually simple interest. Am I right? Dia adalah faedah mudah. So actually you can use the formula of simple interest. Kamu boleh guna rumus faedah mudah. Yang ni kan? Yes. Okay, so PRT. So ini adalah P, ini adalah R, ini adalah T. Settle. Okay, but guys, adakah kamu nak cari faedah saja ataupun jumlah wang selepas faedah? Boleh saya tahu? Are we finding the interest or the total money after the interest? Which one? Yes. Like what Khairul tulis. Okay, kamu kena guna P tambah PRT. Okay, so kenapa kena tambah P? Because we want to know the total money guys. Jumlah selepas faedah. That's why kita kena tambah principal. Okay, plus your principal amount. Okay, so then kamu akan dapat jawapan macam ni lah. Okay, this will be your answer after kamu guna rumus ni. Okay, now how to find my monthly installment? Macam mana cari angsuran bulanan? Sekarang nilai dia adalah 145000. So anyone, what should I do now? Kena buat apa? Very good. Okay, bahagi dengan masa kamu lah. Okay, but take note guys, you cannot divide by 9 saja. Okay, because they ask you monthly. Okay, mereka tanya bulanan, monthly. So means that you need to convert year to months. Okay, tukar bulan ke tahun. Alright, so then you press calculator. Okay, so jawapan dia kamu akan dapat, you will get this one as final answer. Okay guys, boleh? Do you guys get it? So this is your answer. Ini adalah jawapan dia. Okay, clear right? One or two? Satu faham, dua tak faham. Senang saja. One understand, two don't understand. So guys, Congratulations. Okay, tanya semua. We have already finished every single Form 5 topic in our syllabus. Congratulations. Kita dah habis seluruh syllabus Form 5. Chapter 1 until Chapter 8. Perjalanan yang lama kan guys. Especially yang ikuti kelas saya setiap kali lah. Okay, for those that always join my class 1, you guys know lah how long we actually do this. I think start from, let me think and see. Mula dari April kot tahun ni. I think April or March. I also forget already. Maybe February. I think February. February until December. Habis. Okay? In November, not December. Okay? So yeah. Do you understand guys? Today's lesson? Boleh dapat? Do you understand chapter 8 better now? Form 5 bab 8. Better, right? So kamu boleh dapat konsep lah. Just get a general concept on the chapter. Then you will be